left Six Flags. I'm tired. Very, very tired.
Hi.
You can probably still see the roller coasters. No, you can't. We're driving for about 5 minutes. Yes, exactly 5 minutes. We left at 7:39. We left at 7:30.
I have fudge.
Yes. We have fudge. This mobile. It's a truck. As shown by the bed.
I should put
And
on
the
my
very
sunglasses.
darkly tinted windows. Like, look at that. And very, very, very tired. A hot car has never felt so good. And there's a random pink pilot hat.
Hi.
Yes, hi.
And Toralei was contortioning in the purse.
Inside a purse. Surprised why she fit in there. It's not contortionist.
She's not being contortioning right now. You might want to be a little bit louder.
I can't be a contortionist.
So,
I fit in there like that.
wait, what did we do at Six Flags? That's the whole point of this video.
We rode lots of roller coasters and got very nauseous. Around the swings about 3 times.
Me like 5. I was waiting for you.
And, yeah, you probably rode twice in the time I was waiting for the Joker.
I did. Yeah,
And,
and went on the Joker.
went on the Joker, and I went on the Goliath.
Yeah.
Frontier didn't. And the Mindbender, and Carousel.
Yeah, we went on a
Bunch of
carousel.
little kid.
We were just like,
rides.
yeah!
And I
And
went
these
on the Joker.
balloon things.
Oh yeah, the balloon things. Hot air balloons.
They were
The
really
kiddie rides, we made them cool.
Yeah, we made them cool. You literally saw everyone coming after we got on. It was really funny.
And that's what
Contortionist
the line's gone
Toralei
twice
needs
as
to
long
wear
after.
longer pants. Look,
Oh.
they're like stuck in her butt.
It happens. You just gotta like pull them out. That's just sad. They're
Oh
short
my
enough
God.
that they can do that.
Yeah.
Unlike
I'm so
Explorer
tired.
Anna's shorts. Yes.
Explore Anna.
Everyone is tired. We should have brought Explorer Anna, but I don't think she would have fit there since the Toralei barely fit. And
She was in
And
contortionist.
Explorer Anna cannot bend her arms or legs. So, and my brain is very, very messy from all those rides.
And also her.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh no! Crap.
And overall, I'm tired, but it was worth it.
It was fun.
Waiting for several hours for like a 2-minute ride.
Yeah, seriously, we waited on the for the Mindbender like an hour and a half.
I know, and it's like 50 seconds left.
Yeah.
But Goliath, I waited shorter, but it was longer. And Joker, I waited